Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting on my other video, and that is, how do you find your downloaded property lists? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your downloaded lists in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, you know that Propwire is a popular way to build a list. Now, sometimes you build a list and you forgot to download it into a CSV. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and find a list that you downloaded, what you're going to do is click on this profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left. There's 6 different options, but you want to click on activity. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the lists that you've downloaded from Propwire. You can see I have these 3. Well, actually I have 2 and then a skip trace right here. So just scroll through until you find the property that you are looking for. So unfortunately, it's just going to say something general like download 2 properties. So you're going to have to click through each one of them and download them to see which one you're looking for. However, you might want to go ahead and pay attention to the date, because you can reference back and maybe you know the date that you downloaded that list for that specific property. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your downloaded property lists in Propwire, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.